me tell you, little baby, where you could have been. I kept it solid, then you left, switched up at the end. Switched up at the end. Where you could have been, where we could have been. Let me tell you, little baby, where you could have been. I kept it solid, then you left.
You really don't need it. Are we recording? Hey, what's up, guys? It's Baller Tim here. We're just checking out my P3 kit, you know. Looper. My boy Luis here. 6-speed. Sheesh. 6-speed. We got Baller Tim over here. As you've seen the last videos with Tim. You know why he's Baller Tim now, and here he is back in the flash right here again.
What's up, guys?
So what are we doing today?
Gonna do some wiring and air hose wiring on my TL.
Yep, so he bought bags shortly after he bought my CCWs. I'm actually editing the video right now. But yeah, he got the airless suspension, compressors, everything. So we're gonna be wiring, doing the hoses, and also be doing the wiring harness and the second compressor harness. We're gonna be wiring all that up. We're not gonna go too much into it just because my last video should be out by then is when I put my air suspension in, and I did that, showed you guys. But we'll just, you know, cut here and there updates with Tim. And all right, Baller Tim, talk about your chain. I don't think we got that on the video yet.
My chain is Asian gold, real Asian gold. I could buy a daily with this chain right here.
Yeah, how did you spend on that?
4,200.
Damn. Yep, Baller Tim. He went from budget to baller to a little bit back to budget a little bit.
A little bit more than a baller.
All right, hit the camera.
See you guys.
All right, so we got Timothy here. We're gonna be mounting his tank on a trunk, so I guess I'll show you guys how to do that. We're planning on utilizing the straight edge of the factory hinges right here, and also right here. We're gonna mount the bar straight across. So as we do it, we'll let you know what goes on. I can't tell you too much right now because I don't know what the fuck we're gonna do. But yeah, we'll go ahead and just start it. So here's the bar he picked up from Home Depot. The thicker the better, honestly, just because we want to make sure it mounts up here. And yeah, so we're probably gonna, first of all, we're gonna utilize the factory holes for sure, is what we're gonna try to do for the top one, and then we'll see what we're gonna do for the bottom one. But yeah, so right now we're just gonna probably measure, cut, and drill.
All right, what's up, guys? Baller Tim here. We're currently with Mythic Customs right here.
Right here, Mythic Customs. We're working on the bar bracket. So we took off one of the nuts off the trunk, and we're just gonna drill a hole kind of towards the edge. We didn't mark nothing just because if we make this hole, then we could just line this straight up just like this, and then once we get that back on, we'll kind of line up the other hole. But right now we're just going to make one hole on each one of these brackets just to get one of these in for now, and we'll decide another one for you.
That's Santi's cousin.
No, he was in charge.
I don't know what the fuck that is.
That, who's your stuff right now? Oh, anyway.
All right, so we installed the leaf, as you can see. Yeah, so yeah, we put the bolt in just to test fit it. Gonna mark up right here, just right here. Basically it is. And then once we get this mounted, we'll get the tank fitted on here, and then we'll see where the bar has to be on the second bar has to go on. But yeah, this is not too bad though. Not too custom work. Alright, more holes. Alright, so we have it kind of mocked up here. Alright, so we kind of have it mocked up right here at the bracket. We put a line where we're going to cut it on this side. So we're going to be cutting this excess off of it. Before we put the second bar on, we're going to go ahead and probably just mount the top of this at least on here. And then after we get this mounted, we'll figure out the bottom bar. But yeah, so far, and we use the factory bolts for these. This one for sure we're going to have to self-tap for the second bar. But yep, let's go ahead and take this off again. Alright, we got Tim here.
Hot.
Alright guys, so right now we're measuring. So we took it off the car again. We're going to be doing this like sometimes. We put the tank in the dead center, and we got our 2 holes we're going to be drilling. That way we could mount at least the first 2 sets of holes onto this bracket thing. And then we'll get that one done. But yep, we're gonna go ahead and do this, and then I would drill it out actually.
Oops.
Holes are done. Go ahead and mock it up with the hardware and put it back on the trunk. Alright, so these ones are cut. We put this right on top of this right here, and then we got the holes to replicate this one. So we're going to start drilling these guys out now. Alright, so we got these somewhat in here. We'll go ahead and bolt the top one right here, and then we made the same holes down here, so we'll bolt the top one in. We might just mark it where these holes are going to be right here, and then we're going to go ahead and maybe self-tap it. I'll see if I have any, but yeah, we'll continue. All right, so we just got the top ones on. This is not bolted in yet. Got right here. We'll go ahead and probably see if we could get a self-tapper in there. This one could have probably, oh, that could probably move it up. Let's see if I have some self-tappers. I'll self-tap this already actually.
Okay, that'll work.
Or should we wait? No, we should be good still. So we got this all tightened up. I'm gonna cut these off for tomorrow. I'm gonna do it at my work. We just gotta re-drill this one just a little bit more back. But right now, everything seems to be lining up pretty good. This thing is super sturdy. Bracket, super sturdy now. Yeah, I might just end it right here. Alright guys, next day we're just gonna pick it up, taking this to my work. It's fully bolted under here, so it's very, very sturdy. I'm gonna go ahead and cut that piece off at my work. And yeah, we're just gonna keep going at it. Alright guys, let's continue this install. We'll turn the tank sideways. We're gonna go ahead and insert one of these guys in here. So we'll go ahead and take this cap out somehow, and then we'll install this. Alright, so we got this mounted already. So basically this is gonna now be fully bolted on now that everything's cut to the right size. We'll get to bolt this back onto the back of the trunk, or yeah, the trunk, and then we're going to be playing around with a little bit more of these lines and what we're going to do to get those kind of fitted. But yep, we'll get back to you once we get some of this more completed. Alright, we got Tim, day 2. We're going to be actually mounting the tank and fully securing it on here, because we don't really got to do too much. Once we get everything finalized, then we'll try to see about getting the carpet back on here. But for now, we're just going to go ahead and mount the tank right now. And then today I'm gonna mount the manifold stand somewhere and the manifold. All right, we got it secured. So these ones are the factory bolts. These ones are just a self tapper into the actual thing. You can see it clears, no problem. Tank does not vibrate. It just fills up, so it's pretty damn sturdy. We'll put the installation in a little bit later towards once we get everything all finalized. Now we're gonna try to mount up the management stand. I don't know, I think he's thinking about maybe something like this. Something like this. We'll see right now. All right, so this is what we're planning on doing with the stand for the management, because he kind of has like a lot of stuff going on for Tim. Tim has a lot of stuff going on. So right now we're gonna put a nut and bolt. We're just test fitting it, but it looks pretty good. I'll take this off. We made 2 holes just to kind of match up with this. All we did was let me show you guys. Just put on here. I had you know, we had Tim line it up and we just marked it with a Sharpie, got our holes and drilled it, small holes, just in case he ever wanted to take it off. It's not too noticeable. You really can't really see them. And then but yeah, so we'll go ahead and make the holes a little bit bigger now, and then we're gonna find some hardware probably at Home Depot. I'll see if I have any, but I doubt it, but yeah, we'll see. All right, so we got it mounted up here. See the bolts going through. We won't be able to see all some manifolds on there. You can see it in the back. See, now we're just gonna figure out how to put the manifold if we have the hardware, because we forgot about it, and we'll get back to you. All right, so we got this mounted and we're just test fitting the lines. So front left, front right. I think we still got to put the other ones, tank and exhaust still, and then the only ones is just, we'll probably try to plug in all of them actually right now and see what happens. All right, we're gonna end it here for today. So the progress we did today is we got the manifold all mounted up and sturdy. She ain't going nowhere. We got a couple lines hooked up. Still gotta mess with a few other ones. The lines should be pretty easy. We're just gonna extend these that we can loop behind the speaker box just like these ones and get these hooked up. One of them, which is the tank, is just gonna go loop somewhere and try to get out from under here and go up into the tank. Probably tomorrow we're not gonna probably mess with the lines. We're probably just gonna mount the compressors, try to get the carpet situated if we can. That's the goal. And well, yeah, that'll be kind of tomorrow's goal, but that'll be for the next part of this video for you guys. Yep, Tim.
Yep.
All right.
Stay tuned.
Stay tuned. Baller Tim at it again.
Yes, sir. More to come.
It'll be like, is that a
What are we doing? Oh, yeah, so we're mounting the compressor right now. Our idea is mounting it right here and looping this like this and clamping it down right here, so that way it's kind of sleek. I know it's kind of dark. I'll get the light out a little bit, clamp it, and then run the wires. So of course this is very short. It's not gonna make it right here, so we're gonna go ahead and put this adapter on, tighten all these fittings, convert it into this quick connect, run a regular standard line, which is gonna go this way into here, and into the tank. Yes, so we finalized right here, like we were saying. This is all done. There's something on that side, this side. So we're figuring out the wiring on this side of the tank. We're still gonna try to get the carpet on. Right now we're just trying to route like the wires and stuff like that. So we got the one from the middle of the tank right there, and then we got this side. It's gonna go on this side, and on this side there's gonna be 2. It'll be this one and then this one. It's gonna route over here. This one is gonna go to the compressor, and this is gonna air it up. The back one's going into the water trap. Yeah, that one's gonna go into the water trap, so go ahead and just mess with it right now. Alright guys, so this will kind of go right here-ish, something like that. We'll get everything in, the carpet back in, but for now we got the line going in here. This line going here, zip tied all in here. So one of the lines, which will be this one, is going to the compressor. This one's going to the compressor. So this one is going to be actually routed and shut in there. So I routed it in here and I was able to get it out. Oh shit, where'd it go? I gotta find it. But the other one is routed right here to the check valve, to the little release thing it comes with. Very easy. But yeah, we gotta find the other one real quick. Alright, so we got the line to the compressor is going down here, and it loops here, and it comes out kind of on the carpet on the very top. You can see it right there in the back. And then how this is gonna work, like I said, is gonna go like this, something like this, very clean, and tied it, and you can't really see it. But yep, that's for that side. Check valve in here, all done. We're gonna work on the other side now.
What's up, guys?
All right, so got this side, kind of how we're gonna have it routed. Zip tied down, of course. One of them is going through the compressor, so you replicate the other side. So you see the air line gonna come out here. This is gonna get basically tied in like this right here. That way you only can see that. And then the other line, which is this one, goes in here, stays under this carpet though, goes through the water catch, and then it goes over here, made a hole in this, and it comes out through the top of this and goes in here. So I think we might just have to end it here for today. Next time we pick it up, we'll run we're probably gonna run these lines, hook up the compressors to the actual harness, get these finalized right here, and these actually bolted or self-tapped down also, because this is still loose. And then after that is part of this, the struts, and then after that the carpet is the last thing. Yep. All right, see you guys the next time.
See you guys.
What you could have been, what we could have been. You left me in the Honda, now I'm in the Fortune. Sipping on his head.